Alright, home cooks, today I'm showing you how to make the ultimate creamy potato leek soup, Vichyssoise. This classic French dish is smooth, rich, and perfect, either hot or chilled. If you're ready to wow your taste buds, let's get started. First things first, grab 4 large leeks, split them lengthwise, and rinse thoroughly. Leeks hide dirt like a magician hides cards, so get in there. Now slice those leeks thin and toss them into a pot with a couple tablespoons of butter over medium heat. Cook them gently until they are soft, not browned, around 5 minutes. You want all that sweet mellow flavor. Next, peel and dice about 4 medium potatoes. I like Yukon Golds for their creamy texture, but russets work too. Add them to the pot, along with about 5 cups of chicken or veggie stock. Season with a generous pinch of salt and a little white pepper. Bring it all to a gentle simmer and let it cook until the potatoes are fork tender, about 20 minutes. Now comes the fun part, blend it up. Use an immersion blender right in the pot or carefully transfer to a blender in batches. You're aiming for a silky, velvety texture. Once blended, stir in 1 cup of heavy cream. Taste and adjust seasoning. If you want it extra fancy, strain through a fine sieve for that restaurant-level smoothness. To serve hot, ladle into bowls and top with chives, or chill it for a few hours and serve cold. Vichyssoise is incredible either way. Alright, that's it. Classic Vichyssoise, creamy and amazing. Thank you for watching, and welcome to Global Family Cookbook. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button so you never miss a recipe. See you next time.